today we celebrate the relationship we have built while on this journey. A wholehearted welcome to one and all on Sneha Milana by Vibhava. It a great honor to welcome our visionary, fantastic leader, Mr. Nandakumar HN, Chief Executive Officer of Vibhava. The next dignitary to honor us with his presence is Mr. Uday Badkar, Chief Operating Officer of Vibhava Industries. I would like to welcome our founder partner, Mr. Achyut Limay, onto the dais. I welcome our next dynamic and marketing guru, Mr. Vittal Gambhir, Director Marketing, Vibhava. With equal pleasure, I would like to welcome our Director Finance, Mr. Dattatreya Ratan. And the young lad of the team, I would like to welcome Aditya HN, Product Head Detergents. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a big round of applause. Thank you. A warm welcome to all the dignitaries on the stage. Vibhava, a home of thousands. Our unity here today is from the very platform Vibhava. A dream that started in 1988 as Vibhava Chemicals. Today, here we are building legacy of experience, trust, and quality. Vibhava today is the largest selling brooms brand in India. Also, the pioneers in quality cleaning solutions for both domestic and industrial segment. This is because of our vision and mission of our founders. While being the front runner in terms of contribution to hygiene, health, and happiness of the society, a highlight of our operation is that we have empowered 5,000 rural women in and around the Hubli-Dharwad area. Let's begin this event by seeking the blessings from the deity. I would request all the dignitaries to join us to light the lamp. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As it expels the darkness, it brings happiness. To make this day a blessed one and invoke Goddess Saraswati by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom, I invite our dignitaries to light the lamp. Thank you, everyone. Now, I request Mr. Vittal Gambhir to speak about the technical details and unique selling points of our Monkey 555 Wonder Wash laundry detergent.
And a very, very, very warm welcome to all the people who are associated with Vibhava. Today we are live, and our very valued distributors, our C&F agents, many of our very valued retailers, and my ever dependable, wonderful marketing team, right from Kanyakumari up to Nasik, from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, from all these states, they are all joining us virtually, and on behalf of everyone here, I welcome all of them. And what a day today. All of you know, most of you know, Vibhava started as a very small enterprise. And yesterday, when we concluded our October month sales, we did a splendid 25 crores rupees business in the month of October, which is a historic figure. That's an equivalent to 1 crore rupees a day. It's very big in this cleaning industry. All this is possible because of the vision, because of the dedication, because of the constant motivation given by our CEO, who is the motivation behind all these things. Thank you very much, sir. We have achieved a great number. You all know very well, we started with our black belt, black phenyl. That's our product with which we started this journey of Vibhava. A few years later, we launched Ozone, a herbal floor cleaner. Then came Monkey 555 brooms in 2001. And then onwards, we constantly started adding products one after one. We started with steel scrubber, nylon scrubber, mops, and finally, we are now big enough to take on the big companies, and we are entered detergent market in a very big way. All of you know very well, detergents are a day-to-day using product, and there are very big names in it. And in Indian market, in the context of Indian market, the detergent powders and cakes are dominating. This is because the multinationals always emphasized on certain, emotional points of the Indian woman vis-a-vis cleaning the clothes. They always emphasize that this cleaning is always meant for women, and what she expects is jada jhag, a lot of foaming activity and all those things. This is what has been told years on. But the technology has changed. Today, none of those things hold good. A good detergent is one which is good for the environment, good for the clothes, and good for the person who is using that product. And Vibhava is up to the mark. We are going to come out with a huge range of products which have cutting-edge technology in detergents. I once again thank you, one and all of you, for participating in this event. And very soon we are going to witness a wonderful launch of new range of products which are cutting-edge technology, which are useful for the washing machines, which are highly, what I can say is equipped or enriched for HE efficient washing machines, high efficiency washing machines, which will consume less water which is good for the environment and which is good for the pockets of our consumer. Thanks a lot. Once again, a warm welcome to you all.
Thank you, sir. Now, let's move on to the heart of the event, for which we all have gathered here. Today, we shall witness the new addition to the Vibhava family. I request Srimati Bharati Nandakumar, who is the trustee of Adamya Chetana and secretary at Matruchaya Bala Kalyana Kendra, to launch the product. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ತೋರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಡ್ರಿ ಬಟನ್ ಹತ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಬಟನ್ ಹತ್ಬೇಕು I request the dignitaries on stage to unveil the product. Ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing Monkey 555 Wonder Wash Laundry Detergent. Can I hear a big round of applause, my friends? Thank you, dignitaries.
Thank you, Mrs. Bharati Nandakumar, madam. You are the super inspiration, super motivator, for our entire Vibhava family. Thank you so much for launching the product.
Now I request respected Mr. Nandakumar to speak a few words about the event.
Very good morning. A wonderful day. Today, our founder and inspiration to Vibhava, who motivated us in this journey, late Sri Anant Kumar ji. He was a visionary and Vibhava proudly associated with the CSR activity of the organization founded by Sri Anant Kumar ji, Adamya Chetana Foundation, which closely associated with the implementation of hot, nutritious midday meal from last 18 years and which has served 47 crore hot midday meals till date, has been awarded with the most prestigious Rajyotsava Award, and our partner
Standing ovation, please, for this.
Srimati Tejaswini Anantkumar. She was supposed to be here today, but she is receiving this award now at Ravindra Kala Kshetra, Bengaluru, for on behalf of Adamya Chetana. My senior colleague, founding partner, Sri Achyut Limeji, my associate and real backbone strength of Vibhava, Sri Uday Badkarji, marketing guru. He built the team marketing from brick to building. Mr. Gambhir, Vittal Gambhir. We are very proud that when he started his journey 32 years back, Vibhava had 1 representative. Today the team marketing has got 300 plus. Gambhir was proud to announce the monthly sales. Sir, please come. And any sales revenue requires money. And it is ably taken care by our Director of Finance, Mr. Ratan. Especially from last 1.5 years, post-COVID, Vibhava has seen almost 130% growth, 130. Due to a dedicated team and young team, and 2 of them are on this podium dais. Mr. Dhruva Chandra, who was instrumental in growing Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra market from 2 crores to 5 crores. And another youngster, a very good cricketer, not like, don't comment on the current Indian form. He started from 0, and this month the detergent division has achieved 2.4 crores monthly business. I am very, very happy today that Vibhava has started with the cutting edge technology like liquid detergents, and it is being launched in front of all our dignitaries who have come from the different corners of India, and all our esteemed colleagues, distributors, retailers who are witnessing this event live on YouTube. Srimati Rupa Shetty ji recently won the corporation election, landslide victory. She is here. Sri Shesh Narayan ji and Sri Bihani ji, who are also part of this success story from Bangalore, they are here. Srimati Sharanya, Srimati Anagalime ji and Srimati Tanuja Badkar ji are here. Srimati and Shri Sunil Badkarji, our well-wisher. They have come all the way from Mumbai. They are here. Ananya and the little Arohi and Abhijit Lime are here. They are also part of our journey. Shri Jagdish Hirematji, Able Design Engineering. You will witness one of his products on the display is here. Sri Venkateshanji has come from Coimbatore. He is our esteemed partner in manufacturing high quality cotton yarn mops. He is here. Sri Muthukumar, the wonderful young man who started a new detergent industry, is here. The front row, Mr. Bashishta Kalita, he has come all the way from Guwahati, Northeast. He has come here to witness this grand event. Sri Subramanya ji, my relative, he has come from Hosanagara, Nellunde. Sri Harikrishna ji is also here, my relative, he is also here. Sri Lokesh, who has given us shelter at Bengaluru. Our owner of our Bangalore premise and his brother Kishore from Devata Plastic. You can see his product also is displayed here. He is here. The liquid detergent, the technology support is ably given by Bhaskar and Suresh from Subhash Enterprises. They are here. Our distributors, Vardashri, SLV and SN Enterprises from Bangalore are here. Mr. Praveen Kandewalwal, Pranay Impex, from all the way from capital Delhi, he is here. His product is also here. They are all our proud associates. Mr. Rajeshwaran from Pondicherry, he has come all the way from here. Mr. Nitin Panchanathan, Panchanathan is our guru. His son, he is closely associated with our industrial division and product innovation. He is here. Mr. Krishna, he is also there, the industrial product head. Mr. Nilesh from Sansa Industry from Pune. Mr. Sagar Talwar, we have associated in a project from Dharwad. He is from Mumbai and Bangalore, a big tycoon. Mr. Abhijit and Sharat, where are they? They are here. So we are going to give one surprise through them. Friends, this is I am proud to say, a great journey from Guwahati to Pondicherry to Pune to Delhi to Bangalore, Mumbai. What a journey. It started as a small step, small stages in 1988, 32 years back. 32 years back, and today, Pan-India, Vibhava is arrived. I am proud to say, Vibhava is supporting almost 5,000 rural women. And during COVID also, Vibhava is proud to say, we did not terminate even a single employee. There is no layoff. And during COVID also, Vibhava was proud to disburse bonus to all its employees. Almost during COVID period, Vibhava has disbursed more than 7 crore rupees in salaries. Vibhava is a journey, achieving small milestones, building up the teams. Many giants have got associated with us. Today, the biggies like Reliance Fresh, Reliance JioMart, Amazon, Flipkart, Metro, DMart, Big Basket, all have come with Vibhava, along with 1,000+ very valued distributors across 10 states, representing 130,000 retail enterprises and reaching out to more than 40 crore valuable consumers. This journey was possible due to unflinched support and loyalty to our products by our most valuable consumers. Gambhir has explained about the product. Monkey 555 Wonder Wash liquid detergent. I am proud to say only 2 things about the product. It will be immediately made available, a very unique in nature, having a very moderate pH basicity, which will help in retaining the color quality and softness of the cloth, having a nanotechnology to remove the stains in a single wash, and helps to economize the laundry detergent consumption at each household. It has got a very pleasing, soothing fragrance. Lot of work has gone into that. I earnestly request the esteemed retailers, our distributors, and very valuable consumers to support the product and help us to build more consumer-friendly, environment-friendly, the cleaning range in the coming years. I take this opportunity to share one more good news, that Vibhava, I just told my young friends Abhijit and Sharath, is going digital. We have created 2 platforms for B2B and B2C. For Vibhava B2B, it is vibhavamart.com, and for B2C, it is vibhava.co.in. Before handing over the mic to vote of thanks, I request the pleasure of all the dignitaries to join for one more inauguration that Vibhova, proud to say, has created 5,000 square feet dedicated area for, as a testing laboratory. After this vote of thanks, we'll just walk down to the next building. The inauguration is there. We have not kept the equipments because all the technocrats have come from all the way from Hyderabad. They will be arranging the things, but the premise we are going to inaugurate now. So, thank you one and all. Thank you my... One more, just now Mr. Uday Vadkar shared me that Vibhova keeps adding every day one new thing. Vibhova has also launching today the mobile sales van, where the consumer gets at a best discounted deal. I thank you one and all my online viewers and supporters of Vibhova for extending their wonderful support, wishes, and continued patronage year after year. I request through this platform that keep supporting Vibhova. Let us grow together. You are our partners in growth, and we grow with a win-win combination. Thank you one and all.
I would like to thank our management team for giving the marketing team a wonderful Diwali gift. That is the new Monkey Double 5 Wonder Wash liquid detergent. And on behalf of the marketing team, I would like to thank for the new product. And I would like to thank all our business partners, vendors, suppliers, our distributors and retailers for coming for the function, attending the function online. And I would like to thank one and all. Thank you.
I request Srimati Anagalime and Sri Bharati Nandkumar come over to the podium, and I request Srimati Rupa Shetty ji come over here. She is our newly elected people's representative. We would like to felicitate her on behalf of Vibhova.